and it's not your turn to talk. It is not your turn to talk. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Mason, Ms. Matthews, y'all both please raise your right hands. You both solemnly swear or affirm the testimony about giving this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
I do.
All right, you both sworn. Ms. Mason, will you please state your full name for the court reporter?
Thacker and Mason.
All right, and Ms. Mason, you're here today because your probation officers filed paperwork with me alleging that you're out of compliance with your probation. You understand what you're doing here today?
Yes.
You ready to go forward?
Yes.
You hear me? Okay. Ms. Mason, on 20 SR 1942, it says here that you've missed some report dates. Did you miss some report dates?
Yes, because when I call on Wednesday, he either in a meeting or on his phone, and I get a call back the next day.
Okay, so you missed it, but then you call back the next day?
No, he'll give me a call back the next day.
Oh, so you're saying you didn't miss your report dates?
Yeah, but yeah, I leave a voice message. But he told me to do like something else to get the phone call straight through. But I forgot.
All right. Ms. Matthews, she's denying that she has missed report dates. So if you will please look at your system. This is Thacker Mason, 20 SR 1942. And if you'll fill me in on where the confusion is. She's typing on her computer. See it.
Judge, I have that she's now missed approximately 8 appointments. If she left a voicemail during reporting hours, she would have been given credit for that. I do see where Officer Wigmore would reach out after a missed appointment to address it, but I don't see anywhere she left a voicemail and was given credit for it.
All right, please put on record what your system is if someone were to have called during hours, but you all did not catch that call.
So if someone calls during reporting hours and leaves a voicemail, we go in and give them credit. We either reach back out via phone and try to provide them their next report date. If we're not able to do it by phone, or the PO, if we have an email on file, we'll send them an email letting them know that they've received credit for that for that appointment and that this is their next report date. If it's after hours, before hours, they do not receive credit due to the business is closed.
All right, and can you please put on the record what days you all are alleging that she has missed?
We have that she's missed on March 19th of 2021, March 26th of 2021, April 2nd of 2021, May 14th of 2021, May 19th of 2021, May 26th of 2021, and June 9th of 2021.
All right. Anything else, Ms. Matthews, you want me to know on this matter before I let her cross-examine you?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Do you wish to ask Ms. Matthews any questions? All right. All right. Do you, Ms. Matthews, do you have anything else before you rest?
No, Judge.
All right. Ms. Mason, you have the right to present evidence in your defense at this point if you wish, or you remain silent. If you remain silent, I will not hold that silence against you. What would you like to do?
I go for.
All right. What do you want me to know?
I mean, I called on March 19th because that was my birthday, and Officer Stride was my my probation officer at first, and then I got switched over to Officer Whitmore, and then I called the next days. I don't know the specific days that I missed, but I know that I had called, and I probably did miss some days, but I also do call back. But I also called him recently, yesterday and the day before, to see how much I had left on my payment, which is $265, which I told her I could pay today, and my case will be closed. And I got to August for my probation to end.
When does her next, Ms. Matthews, when does her next monthly supervision fee become due?
It will be added on July 3rd.
Oh. Okay.
It will be added on July 3rd, Judge.
All right, I can't do much about that then. Okay, Ms. Mason, anything else you want me to know?
No, sir.
All right, Ms. Matthews, do you rest, Ms. Mason? All right, any rebuttal, Ms. Matthews?
No, Judge.
Okay. All right, Ms. Mason, I am going to find that after a contested hearing about whether or not you reported to probation, there's a sufficient amount of evidence for me to find by preponderance of the evidence that you have failed to properly report to probation as directed. Therefore, I'm not going to do, because of your unwillingness to take responsibility for the situation you created, I'm not going to do my standard response to this. I'm also not going to put you in jail, but you're not going to get to just pay off tomorrow and close your case. It's clear to me that you need to understand that you're going to abide by my conditions or I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The fact that we just had a contested hearing over whether or not you reported to probation is a bit puzzling to me. I mean, I understand the 19th, but we were also talking about March 26th, April 2nd, May 14th, May 19th, May 26th, and it's not your turn to talk. It is not your turn to talk. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay? I gave you your hearing. I gave you the opportunity to testify. You took it. I listened. And then you closed. That means it's my turn to talk. And you sat in here and you just watched Ms. Glover's hearing. And so the point of you all sitting here is so that you all can understand how this process works. Do you understand me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Do not interrupt me again, or I may change my mind and just revoke the balance of your probation and be done with you, because I have that authority under Georgia law. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
This is not your courtroom, and you're not going to run this hearing. Do I need to do anything else to make myself clear about how the remainder of this hearing is going to function?
No, sir.
I'm going to talk because I gave you your turn to talk, and you're going to listen, because when you talked, I respectfully listened. Any questions?
No, sir.
Don't interrupt me again. Ms. Mason, it is very clear to me that you are not taking this seriously, and I'm going to ensure that you do that. Here's what we're doing. You are going to report weekly, in person only. We are done with this phone and you saying you're not there. Your reporting in person will start tomorrow, 6/25/2021, from 9 a.m. to noon, or 1:30 to 6. Normally in these situations, when I have an admission, I allow you to go in tomorrow, pay off the case, and close it. You no longer have that option. You must report in person for 4 straight weeks until your case can close. Those straight weeks start tomorrow, the 25th. After those 4 weeks have passed, then, if you qualify, you may terminate. I almost took away your terminate upon completion, but frankly, I'm not going to do that. So, get your case closed. Report for 4 straight weeks. You're on 0 tolerance for the duration of your case, which means if you don't do exactly what I've just directed you to do and exactly the way I've told you to do it, I will simply issue a warrant and never look back. Do you understand me, Ms. Mason?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about my response is going to be if you step even 1 inch out of line between now and the end of this case?
No, sir.
Sign this document. I'll give you a copy before you go. Back to you.